This right here is another bishop's crown. I don't know if you can see. Do you see how many little pods are on here? There's, I mean, literally hundreds of them. It's pretty cool. This one's doing really quite well. This one right here, I don't know if you can see all the little pods in there, but anyway, that is a 7-pot yellow. Behind that I have a red and something else. I'm not sure what the other one is. This one right here this is a brain strain. I don't know if you can see. There's a little one right there, but there's quite a few of them. They're small though, so I'm a little bit worried that they're too small and I won't be able to keep the greenhouse warm enough to get them to mature. But I'm going to try. I mean, we don't have any heat in here, but I will give it a grand old try. This right here is a ahi lemon, and it is just, I don't know if you can see all that, but I mean, it is just loaded with little tiny pods, and down here lower, there's bigger ones that are getting there. I actually had to, you see the string, actually had to tie it up because it was just so huge. It was sprawling and halfway into the aisle. It's just a big plant. Alright, I'm gonna put this on hold and move to show you the end of the road. This plant right here is a mustard hab, but it's doing really well. It's got loads of pods on it. Can you see all of them? There's some in here that are just huge. Look at this. I think that's pretty good for first time. Oh, I just knocked off a flower. Darn. But anyway, that's doing pretty good. I had to tie that up too because it was tipping over. And here's the mystery pepper, I guess. When I traded for the seeds on the internet, they told me that they were Bolivian rainbow, but they look much like a plant I planted last year called Phileas blue. There was no cross on these seeds because I haven't planted them, you know, at the same time. But I'll show you with a little smaller one that grew. This is what they call, let me try to find some of the pods on here. It's loaded, but they're small, so the leaves hide them. You see them? They go from purple to sort of yellow, then orange, and then they turn red. They're actually really cool. And they're pretty darn hot, too. See them? They're pretty neat. But that was what they called the Bolivian rainbow. And this over here, although smaller because we had problems. I don't know if you can see this little pepper right here. It got stomped by the storm, but it's almost exactly the same. It has the exact same peppers. See it? And that one is what, when I bought the seeds, were called Phileas blue. But they seem awful lot alike. See that one? There's just not as much purple in this one, which is weird, because Phileas blue is known for its purple leaves. So, and then this one over here, like I said, there's actually 3 of them there, back to back. They go all the way back. So they're producing a lot. And over here, this is my sweet potato grown in the bag. It said not to harvest it until the first frost or if the leaves turn yellow and die. So it's still doing good. A little beat up, but it's fine. And these are all just a whole big hodgepodge of my free tomatoes stuck in growing bags. So, and they're still flowering, which is kind of strange because today is our frost day here. So I'm not going to complain. And then back to my falling down tomatoes. But that's it. I just wanted to give you a little show of the peppers and what's going on in the greenhouse. Take care.